today I'm going to be doing a try on express haul, and I got some really cute stuff, including this dress that I've been in love with, and you'll see it a little bit later, but it has like a slit right here on the knee. I got a couple of other dresses, a bunch of sunshades, a bunch of earrings, and some really cute casual outfits that would be cute for date night, you know, bowling, top golf. Something really casual but super cute. And I also picked up a bunch of new pair of jeans. Express now carries sizes from 00 all the way to 18, and they have different types of jeans for low rise, mid rise, high waist, and they also have jeans that are like perfect fit. I feel like a lot of jeans kind of suck my curves in, but these fit like my curves perfectly. I have a few workout outfits. I got some bralettes and some yoga pants. I'm going to show you everything in this haul. I hope you guys enjoy it. Let's get into it. And that's all I got for my express shopping haul. Everything I got was in a size extra small, and the jeans are in a size 00. For all the links to everything, check the description box below. Thank you for watching my video. Love and blessings, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.